It's my first exhibition ever. It's very exciting. What I like about this exhibition more than anything else is the fact that it gives people an idea of the fact that we can actually, as humanity, live outside of the way that we have started living. We can, as humanity, start doing things differently to ensure that our planet is saved. I like the fact that you can, in this exhibition, you find things that can be used in all our communities. As a province of KwaZulu-Natal, in essence, outside of eThekwini, we are a very rural province. So you do need alternatives that will be usable in rural areas, and I have seen quite a number of them. I've just been to a presentation where they are able to do a garden that is outside of the house. They, in essence, take the policy of government that we say is one house, one garden into practice. These are all things that our rural communities can actually put into practice, and it can actually make their lives better. I like the fact that with all the exhibitions, or some of the exhibitions that you find here, they actually contribute towards the alleviation of the drought that we are faced as a province of KwaZulu-Natal, understanding the fact that the drought is going to be with us for a number of years to come. What is most important, and I think that the exhibition is doing, it's actually encouraging our our children in schools. It's encouraging our children at home to actually live better, to live differently, to change their lives. Remember, our future depends on the young ones, and if we don't change the attitude of the young ones, it means we are doomed. But this exhibition ensures that all these young people are going to live a life differently, and we appreciate that very much. I hope that I will be invited in the next years to come, so that I am able to witness it as it grows bigger and bigger, and I do believe it's going to do that. Thank you very much.